What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a sketch illustration of Piggy from the Smiling Critters. For today's lesson, we're going to need a sketch pad and something to draw with. I'm using this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. Now if you want more details on the art supplies I use, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. Let's begin today's lesson by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We're going to start from the very top in the middle. It's going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Now with the head, we want to tilt it down towards the left. So let's start in the middle, right at the very top. It's going to angle this down and out with a straight line towards the left, and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to position the head across this horizontal line. So let's start with the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start on the left side. Let's curve this down, go across, and then up towards the right side. And then from the center, we'll draw a half circle for the nose. We're going to start on the left, go up toward that center line, and then bring that back down. Let's add a bracket going across the corner of the mouth. So on the left, we're going to step in, then this out and then down, and then do the same thing on the right. From the corners of the mouth, let's step down. We're going to start on the left, curve the mouth coming all the way down towards the bottom, round this out, and then go back up. It's almost like drawing a large half circle. Let's place the tongue along the bottom. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and down, step back, we're going to create a fold going up and then back down. Now let's go to the side of the nose. We're going to draw the bottom edge of the eye. We're going to come down and then up just alongside the corner of the mouth. And then from the inside, let's draw a half oval. We're going to go up towards the top of the eye and then back down on the outside. Let's draw two ovals along the inside for the pupils. So we'll start on the left. I'm just going to pull this in towards the inside a little bit. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the corner of the mouth, let's step up. Just going to round out the cheek, coming around the corner of the mouth. And we'll follow the curve of the mouth coming down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right, going around and then in. Now, from the top of the cheeks, let's curve the head, going up above the eye, bend that down in the middle, go up above the right eye, and then down on top of the right cheek. Let's place the ears on top of the head. We're going to start on the left side, start with a curve going up and then out on both sides. And we just want to curl this back up towards the tip of the ears. Let's draw a circle on the ends, going out. And then from the outside of that circle, let's curve the ear going around and then in on top of the cheeks. Now with the head complete, let's move down and straighten out the body. We're going to start underneath the head on either side. Let's curve the body coming down and out. And then round out the bottom, coming all the way around and then back up towards the right side. Now with the body in place, let's layer in the arms and legs. Let's start with the left arm. We'll start from the top on the left, curve the arm coming across the body. Now you want to round out the arm, going across. Let's bring that back up along the outside towards the top. And we're just going to round out the top of the shoulder. Now over on the left side, we're going to overlap a circle for the bottom of the foot, going all the way around. Now I'm just going to come down towards the same height as the arm and go up along the inside. Now let's line up with the bottom of the body, go out towards the right, bend the leg, going out and then down, round out the leg, going all the way back up towards the top. Let's round out the leg and then pull that down towards the side of the body. Now let's go back up to the top of the body on the right. We're just going to bend the arm coming down and then up towards the hand. Let's round out the hand, going out towards the bottom. Now I want to taper the arm so it gets thinner. I'm going to overlap the leg and go up towards the side of the body. Now I want to draw the apple on top of the arm. So we're going to start with a circle, coming in towards the hand and back up towards the top. Now we just want to capture the right size of the apple. Let's add a smaller apple in the center of the body. We'll start underneath the chin, draw a small circle going around. Now the body's going to extend out in between the arm and the leg along the side. So we're going to go out and then down on top of the leg. And then from the side of the leg, we're going to draw that spiral tail. We're going to go out, go around, and then back up. Draw another spiral, going around, and just pull that up and in towards the tip of the tail. Now with our rough sketch in place, I'm going to go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now I want to use this clean rough sketch as a guide to help us add some more detail and refine the shape. Now I want to start back at the beginning with the mouth, starting along the top left. Just going to darken up that line, going all the way across. And we just want to smooth out that underlying sketch. Let's add that fold across the corners of the mouth. And we're just modifying the shape where needed. And then working our way across the bottom. I'm just going to add in the nostrils. Go back and add a little bit of thickness along the outside. So with these lines, I like to add some thick and thin lines. So going thicker along the center, just to add a little bit of weight to our lines. Now with the cheeks, we're just going to taper this line coming in towards the top of the cheek and go a little bit heavier along the outside, coming along the jaw. So we're giving a little bit more weight along the bottom of the head. I'm just going to round out the center in between the eyes, coming down and up. And now with the tail, we're just going to use the spiral as a guide to add some thickness. So we start from the top and then just work our way down towards the leg, towards the bottom. I'm just going to go back and add a little bit more weight to those lines. Let's move up to that apple in the center of the body, add some more shape. So just going to dip that down in the center along the top and bottom. Just gonna add those bite marks to the side of the apple. And again, just refining the shape. Now before we go any further, I'm just going to go back and just clean up our drawing one final time. Now that we've finished tracing out all our contours, I'm going to go in and just darken up the inside of the eyes, going around the pupils. So we'll start with the left side, working our way across. And I'm going to go back and just add that detail inside the ears. Start across the bottom, round at the end, and just taper that back in towards the side of the head. And now we're just going to darken up the inside of the mouth. Again, starting from the left, working our way across towards the right. Now going back and adding a few more details across the body. And along the top, we're just going to layer the eyebrows on top of the head. And then using the side edge of our pencil, we're just going to add some shadows, starting underneath the left foot. We can go in and start adding a little bit of cross hatching inside some of these shadows. And once we finish cleaning up our shadows, we'll be sure to send our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Piggy from the Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want more details on our art supplies, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.